My dad's asked me to help out with the farm chores again. You know, chip the weeds for the tomatoes, move the irrigation pipes, harvest the corn. Doesn't he know this is my summer vacation? I wish I could have stayed in the city with my friend Sally. Hey Sally, what are you doing for your summer vacation?
Oh, hey Bill. My parents have left me in charge of the farm.
Does that mean you're going to Timbuktu?
Not at all. I manage the farm from right here in the city. Want to take a look?
Sure.
Well, come into my office. Right here from my armchair, I can monitor everything that's going on around the farm. We have sensors that measure all sorts of things from weather to soil moisture and evaporation. We even have sensors flying around on drones measuring the crop health and moisture stress. Not to mention the sensors on our tractors that stream data on soil nutrition and grain quality. But we all know that a crop's success or failure is dependent on the weather. The really cool bit is that we have a data stream direct into this office of not only what's happening right now on the farm, but also the best forecasts for the next week, and indeed the entire season, from all the best weather and climate forecast models around the world. All this data feeds into our numerical computer prediction models, allowing us to both model the current state of our farm and predict outcomes for the next week and season. But since these models have errors, advanced statistical techniques are used to merge the observations and model predictions to give the best possible forecast of future outcomes under a range of scenarios, together with the uncertainty of those forecasts. These models are linked into the futures markets, advising us what to plant to maximise our profit. They also give information on when to plant, when to fertilise, spray and irrigate, where and how much. They even help us decide when best to harvest. But it doesn't end there. The really cool part is that I don't need to spend hours breaking my back digging weeds or busting my butt bouncing around on a tractor, not to mention the heat and the flies. Our tractors are all driverless. And if I want to go away for the weekend, my computer will even instruct them autonomously to do whatever task that's needed. But sometimes you just need to see what's going on, right? You know, look closely, smell the vegetation, and feel the soil. You can do that here too, right in this immersive visualization environment. Let's say that a part of the farm has been identified by the observation analytics software to have a disease and you need to inspect it. Then you can use one of our specialized drones to fly into the area of interest, and using these special gloves, you can feel the soil or fold back the vegetation to take a closer look. You can even smell or taste it.
Wow, this is way cool. I wish my dad had a setup like this. He wants me to help out, but we're still doing it the traditional way. He doesn't believe in all this high-tech stuff.
Too bad. This is the way of the future. We call it Tomorrow Farm. This way, I get to focus on the important things while letting the machines do the grunt work. Not only that, but all this information lets us optimize our inputs and maximize our profits. It's the only way we'll be able to improve our productivity to meet demand. Did you know that by 2050, collectively we need to produce 60% more food from the same amount of land and water to feed all 9 billion of us? We won't be able to achieve this unless we redefine farming as we know it, leveraging the best in engineering, science, and internet technology.
If only that wasn't a dream. Oh well, I guess I'd better get to work.